Look at this sequence. We start in a dark, shadowy workspace with a stressed student, and the lighting instantly sweeps into a bright, relaxing environment. To get a flawless transition like that, you can't just type a basic idea into an AI generator and hope for the best. You have to build it from scratch using a master prompting formula. Before we start typing, you only need two things to execute this workflow: an AI video generation tool and a basic timeline editor. Mastering this 5-scene structure is what allows you to move past generating random AI clips and start producing a cohesive sequence that follows a deliberate narrative arc. The fastest way to ruin an AI video is visual inconsistency. If your main character or the room they are sitting in changes drastically from one cut to the next, the viewer loses interest. We solve this by establishing a master style block. This mandatory text acts as a rigid set of rules for the AI. We break the prompt into strict pillars. We mandate the setting with modern minimal workspace, lighting with warm tones, and quality with Ultra HD 4K. Changing one descriptor, like swapping warm tones for neon, instantly breaks the continuity. By repeating these exact tokens in every single prompt, you force the AI generation engine to draw a rigid box around the visual parameters. Copying and pasting that exact master style block into all 5 prompts guides the algorithm into producing a single cohesive short film. Step 1 is building the hook. Take your master style block and add the specific action for scene 1, a stressed student sitting surrounded by books, emotional lighting, and a slow camera zoom. The physical output you want here is a brief, tight camera push that immediately establishes the narrative problem. For scene 2, keep the style block but change the action. Prompt for a glowing, futuristic interface that appears smoothly on the laptop screen. Moving into scene 3, ask the AI for fast typing effects, diagrams forming automatically, and clean, visually satisfying motion. Here is a strict rule: do not prompt the AI to generate readable homework text. Current generation models fail at complex typography. As you can see in this comparison, asking for real text gives you garbled, unusable distortion, but asking for abstract shapes and a geometric holographic UI gives you a clean, professional result. Viewers don't actually need to read the screen. Smooth, abstract geometric animations maintain the pacing and elevate the perceived production value. That glowing ambient screen acts as your connective tissue. It pulls the viewer directly from the physical room in scene 2 into the digital interface of scene 3. Prioritizing visual satisfaction rather than literal words maintains a high-end, futuristic illusion without triggering the distortion that breaks viewer immersion. Now we build the payoff. For scene 4, prompt for a stark visual contrast, where the messy desk transforms into a clean, aesthetic workspace. For scene 5, we drop the moody aesthetic entirely. Prompt for cinematic sunlight sweeping across the closed laptop, creating a completely peaceful vibe. That deliberate transition from the heavy shadows of scene 1 to the bright sunlight of scene 5 provides a clear visual resolution, closing the narrative loop we opened at the start. Now that all 5 clips are generated, open your timeline editor for the assembly phase. Drag your isolated clips into the timeline and line them up in sequential order. Check this timeline view. You want to slice the edges off each clip exactly where the visual transitions happen, cutting right on the spike of that glowing interface animation. Trimming exactly on those motion markers is what fuses 5 separate generations into a single seamless narrative arc. Look at the full sequence from start to finish. We took a basic text formula and engineered it into a complete Ultra HD story. All that is left is to render the project and export the final video file directly from your editor. To drive the pacing forward, drop a trending, lo-fi instrumental beat onto the audio track underneath your clips. Finish the auditory experience by overlaying a clean text-to-speech AI voiceover. By following this repeatable process, you can generate high-quality cinematic sequences in a fraction of the time it takes to film or edit them traditionally.